This right here is what the future for Oppo, OnePlus and mostly Realme devices is going to look like. This is ColorOS 12 based on Android 12. Now in most ways, it's the most refined skin from the company that we've seen in a long time. So what's new? Well, that's what this video is all about. This is One from Guiding Tech, and in today's video, I'll be talking about the top 12 features about the all new ColorOS 12 beta that we have right here. Let's get started. Alright, so first up, let's talk about the UI here. It's not so much as an overhaul as much as it is more of a refinement. The whole UI is more in line with the one-handed usage, making things easier to access. There's decent spacing between text items and app icons as well, making them easier to read and eliminating the possibility of undesired tabs. Now speaking of icons, Oppo has put in work to make them more appealing and colorful, and it's a nice touch for sure. They have added some light and shadow to the icons to make them more, well, 3D looking like, and yeah, you can take a call for yourself. Adding on to the visual appeal are the new animations here. That's the thing where ColorOS seems to have taken cues from OxygenOS. The animations here are quite refined, smooth and snappy. Now Oppo is using what they call a quantum animation engine, which helps in transitions being seamless and feel quite natural to the touch. Now ColorOS has always had a smart sidebar, but this time they've added a couple of neat tools to it. For starters, you have the screen translate feature. For instance, suppose there's some text in a foreign language. All you have to do is swipe from the sidebar and tap on screen translate. The phone will automatically translate the text to the language of your choice. Now the best part here is that Oppo is making use of Google Lens here, so this feature will not only work just for web pages but for any static images as well. Now another trick that the smart sidebar comes with is background stream. Now what it does is that it allows videos to play in the background while you can continue to use the phone normally. For instance, well, you ideally need YouTube Premium for YouTube videos to play in the background, right? However, with this feature, you can play a video normally, open the smart sidebar and just tap on background stream, and that's it. The video will continue playing in the background now. This is great if you want to listen to music on YouTube without having to pay for YouTube Premium or YouTube Music. Now the new ColorOS 12 also comes with a one-stop solution that they're calling Phone Manager. Well, the feature has been there on previous versions as well, but it's more refined now with better tools such as security functions like virus scanning along with app management, battery health and much more. You also have privacy protection tools like App Lock and the ability to hide apps. Now, personally, I've never been a fan of having a dedicated app like this because you don't know which third-party service that the OEM has partnered with to provide all these so-called security features. We've had multiple cases of this in the past. But yeah, for now, at least in the beta, the thing does look pretty promising, so that's good. As far as I can tell, the Phone Manager app on ColorOS 12 does seem quite secure for now. Now speaking of privacy, ColorOS 12 is based on Android 12 and it also comes with a privacy dashboard. Basically, the permission usage for camera, microphone and location is all logged in and displayed clearly on a page here for the user to check. As such, you can easily review which app is using your private information and you can choose to revoke the app's access as well. Now there are times when you really can't ban an app from using your location, right? For instance, if you're using a weather app, you have to provide it some sort of location, right? Cue on the part where I say some sort, and that's what the new ColorOS update brings. So in that scenario, ColorOS comes with an approximate location sharing feature. So whenever an app requests access to your location, you can just choose the approx location option to protect your privacy better while still allowing the app to function properly. Now another feature that ColorOS 12 comes with respect to privacy are the new mic and camera indicators. Basically, whenever an app makes use of your camera or microphone, you'll get this indicator on the right of the status bar. Adding on to this, you also have dedicated quick toggles in the quick settings for the mic and camera. Now tapping on these will toggle the access to your mic and camera for all apps on the phone. Pretty cool, no? Now one of the coolest things about Android 12 is that it comes with material hue. Unfortunately, that feature is missing from ColorOS 12 beta as of now, but it does come with some dynamic theming options of its own. It's called wallpaper-based theming. Essentially, the theme color of the wallpaper can be detected by the system automatically, or you can adjust these dots to fine-tune the selection of colors, and accordingly your system's theme will change. Now for the most part, it seems to change the accent color only, but I'm guessing that we'll see more changes later on. I don't know, let's see. Now speaking of dynamic theming, ColorOS 12 comes with a really cool feature called inventive wallpapers. Essentially, you can select an image from the gallery or even click one from the camera and the phone will dynamically create a color palette from it and then generate wallpapers from it. Now, as you can see, the algorithm is the same in the sense that the design for the wallpapers is static and only the colors change, but it's still a nice feature nonetheless. Lastly, we also have a new battery page here with a plethora of options to make it easier for you to, conserve your battery. You get quick optimizations under the save power option, such as turning off the higher refresh rate, switching off edge lighting, turning off GPS, and much more. There's also a new battery dashboard that makes use of graphs to highlight your battery drain in a very neat manner. So basically what you're seeing right here is something that you can expect from future OnePlus devices as well. As for Realme, while the base OS has always remained ColorOS, they have added some nice little tweaks here and there of their own. But yeah, at the general core level, this is still what you can expect from Realme UI 3 whenever that comes out. So yeah. As for the rollout, it will be a phased rollout for Oppo devices, as you can see on the screen. However, do keep in mind that this is the schedule for the beta update and we do not have any word as to when the stable version will be available to the users. And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Ron from Guiding Tech and I'll see you in the next one.